A youth identified as Bikram has been arrested for the alleged unlawful detention and assault of a minor girl over a 3-day period. Following his apprehension, the accused was produced before the court on Tuesday for further legal proceedings.
According to police sources, an individual identified as Bikram Das, a resident of Nandanagar Palpara and an employee at a commercial sweet shop in GB Bazaar area, has been apprehended. The victim was reportedly a regular patron of the establishment. The incident initiated several days ago when the victim visited the commercial venue. The accused allegedly followed the victim upon her departure and lured her away under the false pretext of an extortion. Subsequently, the accused unlawfully detained the minor and subjected her to assault over a duration of 3 days. Following the victim's release, her family lodged a formal complaint against the accused at the local police station. Acting on the formal report, personnel from the East Agartala Women's Police Station executed the arrest of the accused on Monday night. The individual was produced before the appropriate judicial court on Tuesday for legal processing. Pure report, Chini Khorang.